Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you my everyday eyebrow look. Eyebrows are my favorite, they really frame the face, so I'm super excited to show you this video. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and follow my Insta, which is pina.kiwi. Let's get started. First I'm going to pinch my eyebrow brush upwards. This is going to help give me a thin and precise line. I'm going to use the gel part of Australis Incredibrow. I'm using one of my own eyebrow brushes which I got from Mecca Max. I'm going to start by lining my eyebrows. This is where I'm going to create my shape. I am missing hair in the first few centimeters of my brows, so I'm going to fill that part in, and this is also where I'm going to fade. When lining your second brow, you want to try and keep this aligned as much as you can, although it can be extremely difficult. So what I like to do is gently follow the structure of my nose, going in, back and forwards, and if you do find the measurements are a little out of whack, which is okay, you can always fix it up with a small concealer brush, which is what I always do. Now going in with my top brow, I'm going to miss a few centimeters for my starting line and start where my hair is visible. This is for the purpose of the fade. I'm going to follow my natural eyebrow hairs and follow the curve in my brows. If you don't have much hair to follow, or you want to create a shape like mine, when you do get to your curve, you want to line this with your outer part of your eye iris as a guide to know when to start bringing this line down. I always try to make the tail of my brow nice and sharp, and if you do see any harsh lines in your brow, you can just go back in with your brush and blend that all out. Follow the same steps for your second brow, and if you do feel you need to go over your other brows to mix and match to make them align, then go ahead and do so. And don't forget to fill in the rest of your brows. Now I'm going to fade in my brows. This is going to give them a more blended look. You're going to fade in the first few centimeters of your brows. With this, do not reapply any more product. I like to go in and pinch my brush again. This is going to help me blend it out. When fading out your brows, you just want to use the excess product and blend it in using a gentle brushing motion. You want your starting point of your brows to be the lightest, so this does not give a blocked look. I'm going to finish off my eyebrows with Essence Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This has a brown colour to it with filling fibres. It's going to help fill in any missing spots and keep my natural hairs in place. This is my finished look. Thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!